Hi and welcome to session 4. Are you noticing a gradual improvement in your ability to focus? If not, don't worry, because each session is sharpening your focus and you are sure to see an improvement soon. In the last session, you practiced observing the moment that your focus began to decline. Now today, let's also explore your motivation and interest. You must have experienced that the more interested you are in the task, the more motivated you are, the better your focus. So to have a laser-like focus, find your motivation, connect with your enthusiasm and curiosity for what you're focusing on. So try that now before this session and remind yourself of the benefits of this practice. And also stay curious about everything that you're experiencing, the movement of your abdomen, and the sensations at your nostrils. In today's practice, we are going to try something a bit more challenging. You're going to alternate your focus between the left and the right nostrils in the following pattern. First experiencing the air coming in through the left nostril, then noticing it leave the right, then entering the right, and then leaving the left, and so on. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. I'll be guiding you every step of the way. So sit down comfortably and let us begin. Now adjust your posture so that you are straight but not slouched. Our posture affects our concentration, so make sure you're alert but not rigid, your weight supported easily by the chair. And take a few slow, deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And allowing the breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and experience the contact between the body and the chair. Mentally scan your body from head to toe, noticing how the body feels right now. Take a few moments to notice how you feel emotionally. You're not trying to change anything, just noticing and experiencing. Turning your attention now to your breath. Experience the rising and falling of your abdomen, staying relaxed but alert and aware, focusing on the movements of the abdomen, experiencing every moment of the breath. Now moving your attention to your nostrils. Experience the sensations of air moving in and out. Now focus on the sensations only at the left nostril, trying to let go of all other sensations. Place your focus now only on the right nostril, experiencing the sensations at each moment. Keep checking in on your mind and become aware of the quality of your attention. If it is fading or moving away, bring it back. Continue to allow your body to breathe in its own rhythms, not holding on to your breath, not initiating your breath. Now you're going to shift your attention between left and right nostrils, not using your hand to close the nostrils, just using your mind to shift focus as follows. Experience the air coming in through the left nostril, and then experience the air leaving only at the right nostril. Then experience the air coming in through the right nostril, and then leaving through the left nostril. Again, air in through the left, and out through the right. Then in through the right, and out through the left. In through the left, and out through the right. Again, in through the right, and out through the left. In your own time, shifting focus from left to right and staying present at each moment. Try that for a minute or so. Moving your attention back to both nostrils. Moving your attention back to the contact between the body and the chair. Notice any light shining through your eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this session, even if it was a bit challenging. You're now learning not only to focus, but also to move, focus, and hold it at will. Continue this practice and you will definitely have a laser-sharp focus. Now before your next session, observe yourself during the day. and see if you experience the connection between interest and motivation and focus. Stay open-minded and curious and conscious of the significance of every experience in your life. Connect with your internal motivation, and focus will sharpen even more. Before you go, I'd like to leave you with this quote by Bruce Lee, who said, "The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus." So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 5.